Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to generate stock report month-wise through pivot table. Here is the inventory records where date, reference number, description, received and issued are available. Now I want to create a stock report month-wise. Just click anywhere in your data and go to the insert. Here you will find the option pivot table. Just click here and click OK. It will display the pivot table option. Now drag the description into the rows. It will display all the product. Now drag the received into the sum value. It will display the total received of the all the product, and drag the issued into the sum value. It will display all the issued. Now I want to calculate the total available stock. How can we calculate? Just go to the calculation. Here you will find the option field, item and sets. Just click here and calculated field and type here stock. In formula bar, just double click received minus issued and click OK. It will display the stock available. Product A, total received 100 and issued 25 and available stock are 75. Product B, total received are 190 and total issued are 115 and total stocks available 75, and so on. Now I want to display this stock month-wise. Just drag the date into the rows. It will display month and date both, but I want to display only month. Just click in Jan and right click here and go to the group, only select months and click OK. It will display the total stock month wise. For example, in Jan we received total product 200 and total issued 25 and available stock 175 in Jan. Product A, we received 50 and issued 25 and available 25. In Feb we issued product B 75 and product C we issued 10. It will display minus because we didn't receive any product in Feb. That's why we get the stocks available report month wise. That's why we generate the report of stock available month wise. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.